Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pooja's Art World. In this video, I'll give you some information about brushes, like which type of brushes are used in painting, what brands do I use, and where to buy them from. Hey guys, this is Pooja Soni. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. This is liner brush. It is used for making line details in your artwork. It comes in different sizes. You can purchase them separately or in sets. I'll mention the link in description box. From where I have purchased, its size is 1. They are generally used in making small details of paintings. This is round brush and it is pointed from its edge. So it is used in making leaves and flower petals. This is flat brush. It is used to paint large areas and one stroke painting. It has the capacity to hold more colors. This is round brush. It is used to make round edges. We can make flower petals with this brush. This is filbert brush. It is a type of flat brush with round edges. It is used in making flower petals and round edges. It is used in color filling also. I have purchased them from Amazon. I will mention the link in description box so you can buy them. These are synthetic hair brushes. These are flat brushes of different size, so they could be used in blending also. This is fan brush. This is used in making waterfall, trees, grass, and coconut tree leaves. I will mention the link in description. So this is a set of 5 hog fan brushes. You can buy a single fan brush of any size. This brush is used for blending and it has very soft bristles, so it becomes more easy to do blending. This is hard flat brush. This type of brush is best for thick paints like oil paints, acrylic paints. Soft brushes are best for thin paint which spread easily, such as watercolor, poster color. These are knives. With the help of knife, we can create different textures, spread paints, and build up various layers. It is used in making abstract painting also. So I'll mention all the links from where I have purchased them. Please do like and share your thoughts in comment section so I can make more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching this video.